Welcome to Kids World!
Wow, I have never seen clouds move like that before. Hello, Peep. What are you doing here? Peep, Peep. I think you want me to follow you, don't you? A cloud staircase? Where does it go? Peep, Peep. I guess there is only one way to find out. This is amazing! Peep! Peep! Wow! Peep! Peep, look at this place! It's incredible! Peep! Peep! A bakery in the sky! Chirp! That smells wonderful!
Welcome! I am Mr. Puff, the Cloud Baker.
Hello, Mr. Puff. My name is John, and this is my friend Peep. The golden rolling pin is missing.
What is so special about a rolling pin?
That rolling pin makes the magical dough used to bake clouds.
We have to find it.
Peep! The golden rolling pin was last seen near Thunder Mountain. Be careful.
We can do it together, Peep. Peep! Look, Peep! Cloud rabbits! Peep! Peep! Peep, peep, peep! 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 Hold on. Gotcha! Chirp! How are we gonna cross? Peep! We can make a bridge. Whoa! It's so high! Peep! Don't worry, Peep. I've got this. I think the rolling pin is inside that cave. Peep! Don't worry, Peep. We'll stay together. I think we found it. Peep. Who is there? Hello. We aren't here to cause trouble. We need the golden rolling pin to save the Cloud Bakery. Cross the stones and bring me the silver cloudberry from the other side. I'll do it! Peep, Peep! Almost there. I got it. Thanks, Peep. Peep! You have courage, kindness, and a loyal friend. You may take the golden rolling pin.
You found it!
We did it together! Peep, peep! The Cloud Bakery is saved! I'll never look at clouds the same way again. Peep! See you again, Mr. Puff.